Hello and welcome to my 2008 Christmas house tour. This is the outside. I have two little trees standing by the front entry, a garland, and this wreath I bought last year. It has a little bit of pink in there, white, and silver. And then walking inside, we rearranged our living room a little bit. Our Christmas tree usually would stand by the window. This year we put it in the corner. Over here on the table, there's this fireside candle. It smells amazing. I believe I got it from like TJ Maxx. And then those little gray trees in that black little house are from the Target dollar spot. In this first clip is the tree before I added some things to it. Over here, I added the bow on top and this white feathery garland and a few more white ornaments that I got from the Hobby Lobby clearance. The faux fur tree skirt and a lot of the other ornaments I had from last year or the year before, and I just bought a few more things just to keep it like more neutral and champagne this year. Here is a clip of the tree with the lights off when it's nice and dark. I just love it. It looks so cozy and fluffy, and it turned out just the way I wanted it to. I will try to leave a link below to as many of the things as I can find. Here's the mantle. It's very simple this year. I just have a pre-lit wreath and some garland. I have a few little trees on there and our Christmas cards. We did get a lot more cards after I took this video. Over here in the entryway table, again kept it pretty simple. Just have our lamp, this big sign with the 10 Commandments, a little Christmas tree, and again that little black house or whatever you want to call it with the gray trees from Target dollar spot and some garland with lights. Next, moving on to my sunroom. So I do have a lot of the plants in here because it is cold outside, so I had to bring them inside. This tree is a little bit more rusticy, as you can tell. I just have a lot of burlap, just pine cones, and just kind of like earthy and rusticy, and I really love how it turned out. Did pretty much the same thing last year, just added a few new ornaments. Over here on the right, we do have a faux little fireplace space heater, and I love it. It gives off heat and it makes it feel nice and cozy because it looks like there's a fire burning. Next, moving on to my little tree in the office. It's pink and sparkly, of course. I have these two little faux fur stockings, this faux fur tree skirt, and this little Merry Christmas sign that's also pink and sparkly. On the office door, I have this faux fur wreath that I got from Big Lots, and I thought it matched perfectly with the Christmas tree. I hope you all enjoyed watching this quick Christmas house tour. Sorry if some of the clips were dark or blurry. I had to do it really quick before we were heading out of town. I will try to link as many of the things as I can down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all next time.